Hey everyone, Ward again with Kangaroo Contractors, and today we're going to show you a video of a recent roof replacement job we did at McKinney. Of course, the first step is to strip off all the old shingles and underlayment so we can get a good look at the roof deck and make sure that we don't have any rotted decking. You can see in this picture that there's that one piece we're replacing. And in all the valleys, you can see that valley liner. It's called GAF Storm Guard. It's an ice and water shield to prevent any leaks. And then we're using GAF synthetic felt buster underlayment that they're nailing on now. It does a much better job than the old black felt you've probably seen on most roofs. They are making sure everything is clean and nice before they put on the new shingles, and they'll also put the Storm Guard around all the pipes. Here's it all finished. We decided to use GAF Timberline UHDZ Ultra High Definition shingles in bark wood color. These have a more dimensional look, a more pronounced look than the regular Timberline HD. They're also thicker, and they have an unlimited wind warranty for 15 years. They also do a good job at preventing algae streaks. We also painted everything black, and we put in a ridge vent over the garage. A solar fan is the main source of ventilation, and supplemented it with a black wind turbine. We also installed the high definition Z-Ridge on all of the hips and ridge to really finish it out and make it all consistent looking. So if you need help with your roof, gutters, windows, or siding, or any other home project, give us a call and we'll hop to it.